MOT day, baby, and I'm pleased to say it passed with flying colours. Now let's get it taxed and on the road. Okay, first drive. Oh, good as the M13.
Put it back there. When you lift off, it pulls your head back.
So now finally got the car home, I can get these installed. K&M panel filters. Now don't get me wrong, by no stretch of the imagination am I a mechanic, but I did think I could tackle this job myself. First of all, I had to disconnect the original air filter housing with 4 screws, take out the old OEM panel filter and replace with the K&M one. Nice and simple, as you can see. Put the ducts back down, put the screws back in, and that's us. Happy days. There was no chance I was sleeping knowing the car was outside. I'd waited for this moment for months and it was finally ready to go. So up I was, 5 AM, no messing, straight to the petrol station, filled it right up, and now it was time to hit the Peak District. Absolutely dreadful weather, and I could tell the tyres were very poor. They needed to be swapped out ASAP, but luckily I had another chance to get out later on in the week when the weather was much better. Lovely, fresh, sunny winter's day has just coming to an end. I've managed to get back from work with enough time to jump in the car. I'm trying to get myself to the nearest bit of countryside I possibly can, away from all the traffic, to give it a little blast. But at the minute I'm just navigating rush hour traffic. Who would have thought picking up an Audi RS4 from an auction for £9,000 would be, on paper, probably the worst financial decision I've ever made. Gamble, risk, whatever you want to call it. But I tell you what, if I would have sat on the fence and not bought it, I wouldn't be here now, would I? And I wouldn't have this smile on my face. So I've got the car in comfort mode at the minute. I'm currently going through quite a highly populated little village not far from mine, which does lead to open country lanes very shortly, where I will be putting it in dynamic. But for now, comfort mode is absolutely spot on. And it's such a comfy ride considering what's under the hood. The sport suspension, brakes, wheels, low profile tyres. Considering all that, and I'm out pretty much in the countryside, not fresh tarmac in the city, it's actually quite a comfy ride. Talking about alloys, thanks mate. Talking about alloys, what are your thoughts on the grey one that I've got on the vehicle at the minute? That's the replacement for the cracked alloy. If you could get in the comments and let me know what you think. Should I keep the original colour, just get them refurbed in the aluminium, or should I go for the OEM titanium with the diamond cut edge? I think both look lovely. But yeah, get in the comments, let me know what you think, and I'll reveal in the next video, hopefully, colour I've gone for. Anyway, enough of me waffling. Things are happening thick and fast here. So now the new set of alloys have turned up. This is the last time the car is going to have multicoloured wheels on it. The silver ones are going, and I'm going to put on same OEM wheels but the titanium with the diamond cut edge. Whilst it's at the garage, new wheels on, new tyres on, thankfully a nice rubber, and we're getting the aircon sorted as well. Getting nice and cold in there, ready for some summertime drives. The missus also arranged a full interior clean by Elite Cleans Detailing. Fantastic job, but it did take him about 8 hours to complete. It was minging. Then it was back home for a nice soapy bath. Got myself a little present for the car. 100% OEM, original, unused aluminium wing mirror covers. So the story behind this is, oh, you can hear it. The story behind this, basically, the guy who I got these off has obviously an RS4 B8. And he bought it direct from Audi, brand new. And when he spec'd it, he asked them for colour-coded wing mirrors. But because the vehicle already came with the aluminium ones, they gave them to him free. And he's had them all this time. No, over 10 years. I think he said a 2015 model, exactly the same as mine. And he's come to sell them. There's just no way I could pass up on that opportunity, because the black ones I've currently got on my car are absolutely terrible. And these really, really, for me anyway, I'm not sure what you guys think, let me know in the comments, but for me, an RS4 isn't complete without its silver wing mirrors. So what do you think? What we're going for? We're going for silver? Or we're going for black? Let me know what you think. So what are your thoughts? Are you liking the silver wing mirrors or not? Personally, I'm all for them. And I can't actually believe I fitted them. And there you can see the indicators broke there, but it was already broke. They'd already siliconed it in, so I'll have to look at replacing that as soon as. But this side, it's intact. Wraps round, looks lovely. For me, definitely. Hopefully it'll grow on Kim and the kids, but let me know in the comments. Let me know what your thoughts are. Have I upgraded the car? Have I made it more desirable? Or have I absolutely ruined it and it looks hideous? Let me know.